Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK49 lunchtime and tea time prediction. Friday 5th May 2023. Thursday UK49 lunchtime and tea time draw result number. Lunchtime result number 1, 17, 18, 23, 30, 36. Lunchtime bonus number 43. Tea time result number 8, 2, 29, 32, 39, 47. Tea time bonus number 9. 4th May UK49 lunchtime and tea time prediction winning number 17, number 18, number 23, number 36 and number 8. Today lunchtime and tea time calculation prediction number. Hi YouTube family, welcome to SB Prediction. Today lunchtime and tea time prediction number 1 to 9, 3 number prediction. Number 3, 5 and 8. 10 to 19, 3 number prediction. Number 12, 16 and 18. 20 to 29, 3 number prediction. Number 22, 25 and 29. 30 to 39, 3 number prediction. Number 31, 35 and 38. 40 to 49, 3 number prediction. Number 42, 45 and 47. UK49 lunchtime and tea time single number prediction repeat. 1 to 9, 3 number prediction. 3, 5 and 8. 10 to 19, 3 number prediction. 12, 16 and 18. 20 to 29, 3 number prediction. 22, 25 and 29. 30 to 39, 3 number prediction. 31, 35 and 38. 40 to 49, 3 number prediction. 42, 45 and 47. Today UK49 lunchtime and tea time on set single number prediction. Number 5, number 16, number 25, number 35 and number 42. UK49 lunchtime and tea time on set single number prediction repeat number. Number 5, 16, 25, 35 and 42. Today lunchtime and tea time bonus number prediction. Number 4, 9, 17, number 20 and number 28. UK49 lunchtime and tea time bonus number prediction repeat number. Number 4, 9, 17, 20 and 28. UK49 lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Join this premium telegram channel SB Prediction, link in description and comment box. Join this premium telegram channel SB Prediction, link in description and comment box. Thanks for watching my video. Good luck. See you soon next video. Bye bye.